For over a month, sewage has been flooding sections of Coley Smith Drive, a major thoroughfare in Trenchtown. As you'll hear in this report, residents are also upset about the lack of updates being provided by government agencies carrying out work in the area. Jamaica Maitland reports.
Raw sewage gushes from a manhole along Coley Smith Drive in St. Andrew. According to residents, it's been this way for close to 3 weeks now, smelly, stagnant and pooling on the road surface.
And many of our fellow residents, occupiers of the house on this side of the road, are being affected by the raw sewage that is settling. We have to lock up our houses, a lot of black mosquitoes as a result of the raw sewage. So we want NWC to come and look at the problem.
TVJ News observed men from the National Water Commission, NWC, working. However, we were told that they were only fixing the water pipes that also collapsed.
We have to be carrying water from the other side of the community. We set up 12 o'clock at night and get water from some low pipe and wash till 5 o'clock in the morning and things like that. So it has been a real struggle for many of us.
Coley Smith Drive is being rehabilitated under the Spark program. It started over a year ago. Residents complain, however, that there is little to no communication on the timeline of the project's completion. Additionally, the broken sewage pipelines have made the situation worse.
We know that getting the road, you're going to have a look at a lot of teething pains and so, but since the roadworks start, the pipeline on this side of the road, it's the fourth time it's bursting, and each time we're waiting days and days to get water.
Police officers have not been spared the presence and the stench of the sewage either. Outside the Trenchtown station, there is a stagnant pool of sewage. Taxi operators, however, have used construction material debris to block the sewage from overrunning the street and the sidewalks.
It's a big problem. If you go right now up there, it's a river. It's a riverbed. You understand? We have to turn the thing in the gully. You understand? And it's not safe for the sewage, the raw sewage to burn into the gully because it's going to the sea. You understand? That's a lot of contamination.
Shops have since closed their doors because there is no vehicular access. Then there's the stench, so potent that it forces people to stay inside. But for communities like Trenchtown, residents depend on the local economy to survive. Bar owner Nisha Myers argues that there needs to be a balance between the development and addressing the community's concerns.
It makes business bad. Customers don't want to come out here come hang out because it smells real bad.
Councillor for the Trenchtown Division, Sarah Marshall, says there have been several reports made to the NWC. She was advised that a section of the sewer collapsed and that the project was awarded to a contractor to carry out replacement work. As it relates to how soon that project will begin, TVJ News could not ascertain that information up to news time. Meanwhile, communications manager at the NWC, Delana Williams, says a team will be sent to the locations to further assess and review the situation. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.